We are going to take a look at a Felder ERM 1050 corner rounding machine. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This is a Felder 1050 ERM corner rounding machine. It's 100% pneumatic. It has a 0.2 to 3 millimeter edge banding thickness capacity and a panel height capacity of 10 to 50 millimeters. It is foot pedal operated and easy to use.